Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Loox product photos for Instagram style dropshipping. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Loox product photos for Instagram style dropshipping, begin by logging into your Loox account. Once logged in, navigate to the product reviews section. Select the product you want to enhance with Instagram style photos. Click on the edit button next to the selected product. In the editing menu, find the section for adding product images. Upload high-quality images that resonate with the Instagram aesthetic. Ensure these images capture the product in lifestyle settings. Use natural lighting to enhance the visual appeal of each photo. Experiment with angles to showcase the product from different perspectives. Add text overlays or graphics to provide context or highlight features. Incorporate user-generated content, if available, to build trust with potential buyers. Once satisfied with the images, save your changes. Next, go to the integrations section of your Loox account. Connect your store to Instagram if you haven't done so already. This will allow you to easily share your newly configured photos. Review your Instagram feed to ensure the images align with your overall branding. Monitor engagement on your posts to gauge customer interest. Adjust your strategy as needed based on feedback and analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.